and hard.
It's been
Is that on and that on and that's on?
That's on.
That's not on.
I don't know why.
That's okay.
Looks like it's going.
Yeah.
I feel good about this. How do you feel? Do you feel like it's ready to 3, 2, 1? Hot and
Where we eat something hot and do something hard. Hot and hard.
hard.
Hot and hard. Welcome.
Welcome to Hot and Hard. I'm your host, Brian.
I'm your host, Jen.
And this is Hot and Hard, a show where we eat something hot. My tongue is still burning because we just ate a jalapeno.
And do something hard.
The hard thing today, Jen, what is it?
It's going to be trying to mimic sounds that we make with random objects. So we have some couple random objects here.
Got some over
We're
here.
going to alternate making the sound, and the other person has to mimic it with their voice.
Awesome.
Silliness. Will
Sounds
ensue.
great. I love seeing this. Like, you've shown me a bunch of videos where people already do
It's
making
just
the
fun.
sounds, and we've played it a couple times. Today's hot is La Anita d'Este 100 Años Red Habanero Pepper Sauce. Ingredients are water, habanero salt, a bunch of random
of other
stuff that
stuff.
just sounds like it's going to make it just hot. And
So let's
not
dunk.
excited for this one. Let's try it.
This one's interesting. It doesn't look like it's focusing on flavor. It looks like it's focusing on hot. So.
Are you getting heat?
Pretty chemically. It's
I'm
very
starting to get
vinegary.
it build around.
Yeah.
It's got a very vinegary, peppery flavor to it, but it does taste fake.
Bit artificial. Yeah, I think the color is like so shocking too. Pretty artificial, but not terrible.
It's really cheap.
There you go.
Oh, it does have red dye in it.
Oh, that makes
Red
sense.
number
it's a
40.
bright red.
So
Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna hand you a sound, and you have to make it with your voice. So here we go.
I don't think I got it.
I think that was pretty great though. All right.
I don't know what sound this one's gonna make. I know it's a little puzzle we have to put together. Oh,
That one
no.
got me as tartness. Ooh,
I don't think I
tart.
can get this to come apart. Ready? Not bad.
Yeah.
That was probably so loud on the microphone.
Probably. Okay, here's my next one. Oh, it's quiet. Hold on. That was good. Nice.
All right. Ready
All
for
right.
your next one?
I'm ready.
Yes.
Yes.
Nice.
I think I nailed
Not
that one.
bad.
All right,
No,
here's
hopefully I
yours.
didn't get it on the electronic.
Here we go. Ready?
This is almost like an ASMR episode.
Ooh, yes, it is. I don't like that. Whoa, one more time. Okay.
Sounds like you got dry mouth.
That's gross. Kind of, right? Tell me I was wrong.
Not bad. Not
Okay.
bad.
Sure.
Tinkle, 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 tinkle.
Tinkle, tinkle. Rattle, rattle, rattle.
Not bad. It was actually pretty good,
Okay,
though.
here we go. Complex. That was a
I
good
feel like I'm
one.
just spitting on the microphone. All right.
All right, what's your next one? Wait, I could do better. I could do better.
It's like something fell
Try
and
again.
splatted.
I could do better. Go boop. Maybe not.
Go boop.
Go boop.
Ready?
Go boop.
I wonder if I can do it.
Yeah.
Kapunk.
I give myself a round of applause for that one.
Not bad. If I was to pick a winner, I don't know.
I think they're the winners for
think
being
you guys
able
won this
to
one.
witness that
That or
gloriousness. Kapunk was the winner. Hot and silly, not so hard. Kind of
that
hard.
hard.
It was pretty hard, but pretty fun.
We'll catch you next time.
On Hot and Hard.